Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Forest Foraging Emote and Heartopia during the festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the movie guide first. Okay, and this is how the Forest Foraging Emote looks like. Actually, the emote is called Wild Greens Foraging. And if you want to unlock this emote, you need to pop the bubble guys. Then I'm going to show you where you can find the bubble. Okay, first you need to go to the deer tower. You can track Patty to help you going to the deer tower, and you can see the bubble right here around this area. But since I've popped the bubble, so the bubble is already gone. You can pop the bubble here guys, and then you can unlock the Forest Foraging emote. Wait, let me show you the location on the map. Okay, right here around the deer tower, and this is the Forest Foraging emote. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Forest Foraging emote in Heartopia Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.